We start with typing our data frame name. We then type the name of the column we don't need anymore, which is the country area. Then we pass the access value, which will tell the function that we want to delete the entire column. And finally, the parameter inPlace will make the changes permanent. If we ignore the inPlace parameter, the execution of this function will only occur during runtime, which means it will not be permanent. So that's why we need to set the inPlace parameter to true if we want to make the changes permanent. Okay, so that's how we drop any unwanted columns. Let's now see how we can drop unwanted rows. As we noticed before, the country of New Zealand was recorded twice in our demo dataset. So we can apply the drop function again and specify the record index 5 and assign the access value 0 to indicate that we want to remove the record. And in order to make that change permanent, we assign the inPlace parameter to true. We run this cell and we notice the cell was run successfully, so the record was removed successfully.